How can you guys be friends 1 second and enemies the next? Is this animal abuse? Look at that. She's pretty quick. He makes weird noises. They're like boxers, you know, when boxers get like tangled up in each other and they're just gonna sit there. Hey, you leave that alone. They're playing dirty. What are you doing? You biting him? Titan, fight back. You're a dog, Titan. Look at them box each other. She just goes in for the kill. Look at that fluffy tail. No wonder she's beating you up. Send me the video. Or do you want to put them up yourself as well? Yeah, I'll put them up too. I have my angle, you have yours. Yep. We're gonna get so many nasty letters from PETA. Should we break him up? No. I don't know who's winning and who's losing. I don't think we should have put steroids in their water though.